Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're over 40 and looking to dive into the world of online business, you're in the right place. Today we're going to cover some of the best online marketing strategies tailored specifically for beginners, just like you. Whether you're tech savvy or just getting started, these tips will help you build a solid foundation and grow your online presence fast. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's jump right in. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to leverage social media wisely. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn are very powerful tools for reaching your target audience. I recommend that you start by choosing 1 or 2 platforms where your audience is most active online. For example, if you're targeting professionals, LinkedIn might be your best bet. I recommend that you create a consistent posting schedule, sharing valuable content that resonates really well with your audience. Now, don't be afraid to use features like Facebook groups or Instagram stories to engage directly with your audience. Sharing your personal journey, experiences and lessons can build trust and make your brand much more relatable. Remember, it's not just about promoting products, but also about fostering connections. Lastly, I recommend that you consider using paid ads on these platforms, even with a very small budget. Facebook ads, for instance, allows you to target specific age groups, interests and behaviours, which can be a game changer when you're just starting out. I also suggest that you track your results and adjust your strategy as you learn what works best for your audience. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to start a blog or a YouTube channel. Content creation is king when it comes to online marketing, and starting a blog or YouTube channel is a great way to establish yourself as an authority within your niche. I recommend that you choose topics that you're passionate about and that solve problems for your audience. For example, if you're into fitness, you could create content about staying fit after 40. Consistency is key, so I recommend you set a regular posting schedule, whether it's once a week or bi-weekly, and try to stick to it. I also suggest that you use SEO techniques, which is search engine optimization, to ensure your content ranks well on Google or YouTube searches. This might include keyword research, optimizing your titles and descriptions, and using tags more appropriately. I also suggest that you monetize your blog or channel through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or by promoting your own products. For instance, if you're discussing a particular software or service, you could include affiliate links within your posts. Over time, this can become a significant revenue stream as your audience grows. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to build an email list early on. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to maintain a direct line of communication with your audience. I recommend that you start by offering a freebie or a lead magnet like an ebook, checklist or a webinar in exchange for email signups. This not only grows your list but also gives you valuable insights into what your audience actually finds useful. Now, once you have a list, I recommend that you focus on building relationships rather than just selling. I recommend that you send regular newsletters with tips, updates and exclusive offers. You can share stories or case studies that resonate with your audience's experiences. For example, if you're offering courses, you can highlight how one of your students successfully applied the strategies that you teach. I recommend that you segment your email list based on interests or behaviours to ensure your messages are always relevant. For instance, you might have a segment for beginners and another for those that are more advanced. Tailoring your content this way increases the open rates and conversions, making your marketing efforts much more effective. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to utilise content repurposing. Creating content can be time consuming, so make the most of your efforts by repurposing your content across all different platforms. For example, a blog post can be transformed into a YouTube video, a podcast episode or a series of social media posts. This not only saves time but also helps you reach different segments of your audience. I recommend that you start by identifying your most popular content. For instance, if you have a blog post on the 5 ways to stay healthy after 40 and you find that that is doing well, consider turning it into a video series or an infographic. Different people consume content in different ways, so diversifying your content format can also help you to increase your reach. Repurposing also helps with SEO, as it creates multiple touch points for your audience to find you online. For example, embedding a YouTube video in a blog post not only enhances the post, but also increases the video's visibility. This approach maximizes your content's impact without the need to constantly create new material. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to harness the power of video marketing. Video is a highly engaging medium, and it's particularly effective for those over 40 who might prefer visual learning. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even Facebook Live allow you to connect with your audience in a personal and more direct way. I recommend that you start with simple, short videos, perhaps tutorials, or behind the scenes content that showcases your expertise. Now, don't worry about being perfect. Authenticity often resonates more than polished production. I recommend that you share your journey, challenges, and successes to build a deeper connection with your audience. For example, if you're launching a new product, you can document the process and share it as a series of videos. Consider adding captions to your videos to cater to those who watch it without sound, and always include a clear call to action at the end, whether it's visiting your website, subscribing to your channel, or checking out your resources. This not only drives engagement but also leads viewers down the sales funnel. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to optimize for local SEO. If your business serves a local audience, optimizing for local SEO is crucial. I recommend that you start by claiming and optimizing your Google My Business profile. Ensure your NAP, which is your name, address and phone number information, is consistent across all online platforms, including your website, your social media, and your online directories. I also recommend that you create content that targets local keywords, such as best marketing courses in your city or online business coach near me. This helps your business appear in local search results, which is particularly important for attracting nearby customers. For example, a blog post about local business networking events could drive traffic from individuals interested in your niche. I recommend that you encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on Google and other platforms. Positive reviews not only boost your local SEO, but also build trust with potential customers. I recommend that you respond to reviews, both good and bad, to show that you value customer feedback and you are actively engaged with your online community. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to collaborate with influencers and industry experts. Partnering with influencers or experts in your niche can significantly boost your credibility and your reach. I recommend that you look for individuals who share your target audience but aren't direct competitors. For instance, if you offer online fitness courses, collaborating with a nutritionist who has a strong following can introduce you to a broader audience. You can collaborate in various ways, such as guest blog posts, joint webinars, and social media takeovers, or even use product giveaways. These collaborations can be mutually beneficial, providing value to both of your audiences. For example, a live Q&A session with an expert can draw in viewers who might not have discovered your brand otherwise. I recommend that you track the results of these collaborations to see what works best. If a particular influencer drives a lot of traffic or conversions, consider making the partnership more ongoing. This strategy not only increases your visibility, but also positions you as a trusted resource within your niche. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to invest in paid advertising. While organic growth is essential, paid advertising can give you a significant boost, especially when you're just starting out. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific demographics, making it easier to reach potential customers who are likely to be interested in your products or your services. I recommend that you start small by setting a daily budget that you're comfortable with and test different ad formats like search ads, display ads, or even video ads. For instance, a well-targeted Google ad campaign for online business course for beginners could drive highly relevant traffic to your website. I recommend that you always track your ROI and adjust your campaigns accordingly. You can use tools like Google Analytics to see which ads are performing well and which ones are not. Over time, you'll refine your strategy and increase the effectiveness of your ad spend, ensuring that every dollar counts. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is to focus on building a personal brand. Building a personal brand is crucial, especially if you're over 40 and starting an online business. Your personal brand differentiates you from competitors and helps to build trust with your audience. I recommend that you start by defining your unique value proposition, what sets you apart from others within your niche. This could be your experience, your approach, or even your story. Now, once you have clarity on your brand, and you need to ensure you are consistent across all your online platforms, from your website to your social media profiles. I recommend that you use the same colours, the same fonts and messaging to create a cohesive look and feel. For example, if you're positioning yourself as a mentor for mid-career professionals transitioning into entrepreneurship, your content should reflect this expertise. I recommend that you engage with your audience by sharing personal anecdotes, behind-the-scenes content, and your personal journey. People connect with people, not just brands. By being authentic and transparent, you can build a loyal following that sees you as a trusted authority. Over time, your personal brand will become a valuable asset that attracts clients and opportunities more naturally. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and training resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to find out more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.